How to make cornflakes from scratch to finish. When I mean from scratch, I mean from the roots to the finish. I know so many people love cornflakes. I personally, that is talking to you right now, I am a lover of cornflakes, and I know so many children, they love cornflakes. So why wasting your money go to the market to go and be buying cornflakes at an exorbitant price? So if you be selling, you understand what I'm saying. Say God forbid. How to make cornflakes is very easy. All you need to do is just to watch this video to the very end, and you are good to go. Get yourself corn. Thank God say corn dey for season. Yes, get yourself fresh corn. In case you don't have fresh corn, you did not see fresh corn to buy, please go to the market. You see those people that sell beans, that sell wheat, that sell soya beans, those dry corns for popcorn. You can also use that corn as well. Hallelujah. Hi, Efex, you are too good. Now, before I continue, please, I know some of you are just too stingy with comments, with like. If you know you watch this video to this end, please, the highest you can do is for you to like, share, drop comments. Follow me on my social media platforms, the same name. Drop comments and appreciate me. At least I tried. Your baby girl Efex tried. I brought this video, I tried. Because I don't want you guys to waste money. Now let's continue. I know sometimes I can be so talkative. Am I really correct with that? Never mind. So you just follow these procedures, get your corn. Now, before I also continue, I know some people might not have dehydrator. Some people might not have oven to dry it. My sister, you can use your natural dehydrator. If you don't have oven, you can make use of your sun. You see, the difference is that it will take time. You see, this method, it can take just hours. Within 2 to 4 hours, it is ready. Compared to your son, it will take time. That is just the difference. You can decide to add sugar, from the beginning. You can decide to add sugar. It is optional now. You can decide to add honey. It is optional now. You can even decide to add milk. It is optional now. There's some cornflakes you taste, it go dey sweet, it go get sweetness. It's because they added sugar from the base, from the scratch. And there are some cornflakes that I've tasted which add no sugar. You have to start adding sugar. It depends on how you want it. You understand? So you need to be sure of what you are eating, because many of those cornflakes you see, I keep telling you, you see how those things they sell in the market that is always in can, that is always in sachet. Many of them have one chemical or the other. Number one, to preserve it, they have in fact so many yama things they did. So, and also this one too, it will even help you save money. Cornflakes now don't cost. Cornflakes is so expensive now. Say now only rich people they chop cornflakes. You see, we say they manage, they middle class. I know they pass my boundary. When I don't taste cornflakes last. I can't even remember it be. You don't even know reach 10 years old. I'm not exaggerating, because cornflakes is expensive. Yes, and because I no get one I won't give out, I want to make me know do am. So for those of you that you love cornflakes, because I'm not just a really fan of cornflakes, not be say I like am, but not be say I like am 100%. But if you know say your life depends on cornflakes, your family life depends on cornflakes, please use this method to save money, please. And number 2, you will know what you are consuming, what your kids are consuming, you and your family are consuming. Okay, now we've gotten to the stage where we need to go. Please, if you know you love this video, kindly please share, drop comment, follow me on my social media platforms, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Oh shame, make fun of chop am.